Guys, so I am sure that maybe the question that I certainly have is, why do we cry? So the really interesting thing is that tears that are shed as a response to emotional events contain about 24% more proteins than tears responding to irritants like onions. So you ask, why? And the answer is, it's unknown. Isn't that crazy? But listen to this. Understanding our own emotional tears and those of other people matters because crying serves as an important means of nonverbal communication and possibly contributes to stress reduction. We need that now, don't we? Most mammals have the ability of shedding tears, but usually do so only in pain. When in pain. Humans and possibly elephants and gorillas seem to be the only species that respond to strong emotions by crying. We have already seen that the composition of emotional tears is quite different from tears shed in response to onions, but what is the purpose these emotional tears serve? One hypothesis suggests that the composition of emotional tears actually helps us rid the body of several proteins that are associated with stress. Literally, we should feel better after removing these chemicals during a good cry. A second line of reasoning suggests that crying is a form of communication. Beginning in infancy, we learn to cry to get help. Of course, crying produces both visual and auditory cues. Hearing a baby's wail definitely motivates us to investigate, but most parents can tell you that seeing a child's face covered in tears stimulates stronger emotional responses. But by crying as adults, we may be still communicating nonverbally to others, especially when strong emotions make it difficult for us to talk. Actors and actresses work very hard to train themselves to shed tears on cue because this behavior convinces us that we are seeing true grief and sadness. So interesting, huh? I knew you'd like that.